नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत है मेरे चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों से बात करेंगे स्टॉक अलर्ट, ग्लैंड, फार्मा, एंजल वन, टाटा स्टील, मीशो, स्वराज इंजन, security in F&O banned, shares of Steel Authority of India, and Saman Capital are banned from F&O trading on 8 January 2026. Stock to watch. Gland Pharma has received an approval from the United States Food and Drugs Administration for its abbreviated new drug application field for olopathics hydrochloride ophthalmic solution. They say drugs is indicates for the treatment of ocular itching associated with allergy, conjunctive. Angel 1 is scheduled to meet on Thursday, 15 January 2026 to consider subdivision split of extracting equity shares having face value of less than its fully paid up. Tata Steel India crude steel production stood at 6.34 million tonnes Q3 financial year 2026, up 12% QoQ and YoY, primarily aided by higher output in Jamshedpur and Kalinga facilities. Meesho General Manager Business Mega Agarwal has turned higher resignation which effected from 7 January 2026 following her exit. Milan Attorney General Manager User Growth and Content Commerce will now assume the role of General Manager Commerce Platforms. Swaraj Engine received a warning letter from BSE and National Stock Exchange of India for non-compliance with Regulation 2130A of CB Listings Regulation, wherein only one meeting of the Risk Management Committee was held during the financial year 2024-5. Housing and Urban Development Corporation has signed a non-binding MoU with the Chhattisgarh government to provide financial assistance of up to 1 lakh crore over 5 years for housing and infrastructure projects.